My name is Maddie Boone. I'm a junior at North Central High School, and I know Miss Hall because I've had her for Honors Chemistry 1, Honors Physics, and she really understands science in general, and she's great at teaching it. In physics, we did projects all the time, and she always uses real-world examples. So like we made a roller coaster, we did an egg drop project. If you had a problem with your project, she always knew how to fix it, and she would always help you. She's one of those teachers that really shows that she cares about the students and she cares about knowing that they're learning. If you raise your hand and say, Miss Hall, I'm lost, she'll always come to your desk and ask you what you don't understand and give an example and like help you just pick it up. And once you do, she keeps going and it's so good. So one time I was not making the right choices in Miss Hall's class, and she looked at me and she said, life is full of choices, make the right one. And that has just always resonated with me because it's so true. So I want to be a lawyer when I graduate. I'm a very loud person. Miss Hall's taught me that it's not a bad thing to be loud. Stand up for what you believe in and stand up for what you think is right. And I think Miss Hall is a good example of that. She's one of those teachers that just like makes a difference. Hey Miss Hall, I just wanted you to know that your teaching here at North Central these past 2 years have really taught me so much inside and outside of the classroom. You haven't only affected me, you've affected so many students, and you're such a loving and caring teacher, and it really shows in every lesson that you teach, and every day that we come in your classroom. I always look forward to it, and it's just the best part of my day. Thank you for everything you do. Everybody at North Central has felt your impact, and we're so excited. Thank you so much. Go Knights!